Welcome again to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an Android app. We are going to make an app and export it in order to use it in Android device or smartphone. First, I'm going to create an app which allow user to type a username and password and place a login or cursor. Today I'm going to use MIT app inverter. As I said before, to download it I will give you many tools you will need, and watch the first video. This is the part 2. Watch the first video in order to understand very well. As I said before, I'm going to come to this folder again, press this AI2U. When I'm finished to press AI2U, I will get this interface. This pop-up is where I choose or where I start my server because it uses the local machine. I'm going to start this dev server and AI2U server, AI2 starter. This is a method I will use to start this local machine. After starting these two tools, I'm going to start invent, as I said before. And wait a little moment. It does not take a while. It take, for example, 1 minute or seconds. Wait a little moment. Click here to dismiss because this Firefox it want to update, and wait a little moment. If I use a Chrome, it doesn't require a little or a long searching. It take a shorter time, but here I will wait a moment. After coming here, I need to click here to use the Google account. For example, here there's testexample.com. I can use andrew@buzz.example.com, sign in as administrator and place login. Wait a little moment. Here I click to accept the term of service. Okay, I get this window. What I need to do here, you see this panel here to connect to emulator USB. We'll see to the next videos. Here what you need to do is to create a new project, start a new project, or comes here to the project and start a new project. I click here to the new project. After clicking to the new project, for example, let me call it login app and press OK. After pressing OK, you see login app is here. I need to click on this login app. Yes, you see here we get the graphical user interface where we want to design. What we need to do here, the first we need to put a layout. Let me choose this horizontal alignment. Come here to the height, fill parent, okay. No, automatic, okay. To the width, fill parent, yes. sorry, let me delete this, put this horizontal alignment, come to the width fill parent, yes, and this, let me put another here, also to the width fill parent, also put another here to the width, let me fill parent. To this, the first we need to go to the user interface and type, for example, let me put a button here, put a label, also here put another label, let me delete this button because I need to put another label here, and also we need to put another layout which will use the command fill parent, okay, and to the interface let me put this button, sorry, to this label let me type to the text login app, to this label also, sorry, login app, here to this login app, for example, let me bold this bold, and to the font size let me put 20, to this text field let me put username, to this let me type password, and to this let me call it, to this button login, and put another button call it answer. To this I need to put a text field, text box to the username, and also put a password text box to the password. Okay, what I need to do to this, I need to come here to the center, also center, also to this login, this horizontal alignment let me put to the center, also this to the center, to this horizontal also center, this to the center, also to this horizontal also let me put center. Now I'm finished to create my login app. What you need to do here, let me to this password field remove this, let me change it later. Now I'm going to the block to code this. I'm going to the blocks where I need to give this interface the condition. Here you need to understand it. If you need to understand this, if you click on this login, if the username is true, password is true, we'll get another interface. Sorry. If you click on cancel, this interface will exist. What you need to do here, we need to go to the blocks, then we need to come here to the button 1. When button 1 click to the first condition, when the button 1 click, go to the condition, control, if, yes, need to understand it. When button 1 click, go to the control, if, can use this if or this, but what you need to do here, we need to use this. When the button 1 click, if the condition, then come to the text box. If button 1 click, then set no. Let me use button 1 click, text box 1, sorry, it can't be here. Let me delete this. Let me delete and remove this. When button 1 click, then go to the text box 1, set, need to come here, set text box 1 dot text, need dot text, say text box 1 text 2, yes, 2, need to come here and come to the this 2, then let me type this 2, okay. Then also when text box 1 dot click, I need to click on here and duplicate, text box 1, I need the password box dot text 2, I need to remove this and place this, just remove this, and press 1 2 3, and press this 1 2 3, remove this, button 2. Yes, after finishing this, what you need to do, I put this condition, but you can watch more tutorial in order to understand this very well. What I need to do now, I need to go to the designer also and come to the word and come here. You can provide the QR code or save the APK on my computer. If I want this, in order to this screen to get an icon, I have to come here to the background image. The background image is the image that will come to this side. But when I want an icon, I need here and upload the file where I want an icon. What I need to do, I come here to the bullet and save APK to my computer, and wait a little moment. You see the bullet cannot fetch the zip username Android example GTHub. What I need to do, let me come to the block and delete this. Also let me delete this, and comes here, let me also breathe. Here I come to the bullet, save APK on my computer. Wait a little moment. You see also they give me this message. As I even said to the previous video, I will show you more detail to the next video.